Apterygota, the wingless insects of primordial times, remind us of the origins of insect life on Earth. Their absence of wings and simple yet effective adaptations harken back to an era when insect diversity was in its infancy. By studying Apterygota, scientists gain insights into the evolutionary pathways that led to the remarkable diversity of insects we see today. These resilient and ancient creatures provide a link to our planet's distant past and offer a window into the complexities of life's journey through time. Exapterygota, in detail very long answer. ChatGPT. Exapterygota, unveiling the gradual metamorphosis of ancient insects. Exapterygota, a captivating assemblage often referred to as hemimetabolous insects, provides a window into the unique world of insects that undergo gradual metamorphosis. These ancient creatures, characterized by their distinctive life cycles and developmental patterns, offer insights into the evolutionary history of insect diversity. This comprehensive exploration delves deep into the realm of Exapterygota, unraveling their unique traits, ecological roles, and significance in the tapestry of life. Introduction to Exapterygota. Exapterygota is a taxonomic group within the class Insecta, encompassing insects that exhibit a form of incomplete metamorphosis known as hemimetabolism. Derived from the Greek words exo, outside, and pteryx, wing, Exapterygota collectively refers to insect species that develop gradually, with nymphs resembling miniature versions of the adult form. Key characteristics. Gradual metamorphosis. The defining characteristic of Exapterygota is their life cycle, which involves gradual metamorphosis. Unlike insects that undergo complete metamorphosis, holometabolism, Exapterygota experience fewer dramatic changes between nymphal and adult stages. Nymphal stages. Exapterygota species hatch from eggs as nymphs, which are similar in appearance to adult forms but lack fully developed wings and reproductive structures. Wing development. As Exapterygota nymphs grow and molt, their wings gradually develop externally, becoming larger and more functional with each molt. Subgroups of Exapterygota. Exapterygota includes a diverse array of insects, such as Orthoptera. This subgroup includes grasshoppers, crickets, and katydids. Nymphs of Orthoptera often resemble smaller versions of adults, with gradual wing development. Hemiptera. Hemipterans, also known as true bugs, exhibit a wide range of nymphal forms that resemble adults but lack fully developed wings. Ephemeroptera. Mayflies, belonging to this subgroup, showcase distinct nymphal and adult stages, with the aquatic nymphs having gills and the terrestrial adults having functional wings. Odonata. Dragonflies and damselflies belong to this subgroup. Nymphs are aquatic and have gills, while adults have functional wings for aerial mobility. Evolutionary significance. Exapterygota offers insights into the early stages of insect evolution. Primitive development. The hemimetabolous life cycle of Exapterygota reflects an ancestral condition, indicating that insects with gradual metamorphosis appeared before those with complete metamorphosis. Diverse adaptations. Diverse adaptations. The varied life cycles and nymphal forms within Exapterygota suggest a wide array of ecological strategies that shape their survival and adaptation. Ecological roles and adaptations. Exapterygota play roles within their ecosystems. Niche occupancy. These insects often inhabit niches that are crucial to nutrient cycling and ecosystem dynamics. Predator-prey interactions. Nymphal stages of Exapterygota can serve as both predators and prey, contributing to the complex interactions of food webs. Paleoecology and habitat. Exapterygota inhabited ancient landscapes. Diverse environments. Exapterygota species thrived in a variety of ecosystems, from aquatic habitats to terrestrial landscapes. Adaptation to changes. The flexibility of their life cycles likely allowed Exapterygota to adapt to changing environmental conditions over millions of years. Modern diversity and importance. Exapterygota encompass a wide range of insect groups, showcasing their successful adaptations over time. Conclusion. Exapterygota, the hemimetabolous insects of gradual metamorphosis, provide a unique lens through which we glimpse the diversity and complexity of insect life. Their nymphal forms and gradual wing development harken back to an era when insects evolved diverse strategies for survival. By studying Exapterygota, scientists gain insights into the evolutionary pathways that have shaped the diverse array of insect life we observe today. These ancient creatures, with their intriguing life cycles, offer a link to the past and underscore the remarkable journey of adaptation and diversification that has unfolded over millions of years. Endopterygota, in detail very long answer. ChatGPT. Endopterygota, unveiling the marvels of complete metamorphosis in insects. Endopterygota, a captivating assemblage often referred to as holometabolous insects, offers a fascinating glimpse into the remarkable world of insects that undergo complete metamorphosis. From the humble caterpillar to the majestic butterfly, these creatures undergo profound transformations that underscore the intricate evolution of insect diversity. This comprehensive exploration delves deep into the realm of Endopterygota, unraveling their unique traits, ecological roles, and significance in the tapestry of life. Introduction to Endopterygota. Endopterygoda is a taxonomic group within the class Insecta, encompassing insects that exhibit a form of complete metamorphosis known as holometabolism. Derived from the Greek words endo, inside, and pteryx, wing, Endopterygoda collectively refers to insect species that undergo drastic transformations during their life cycle, transitioning through distinct larval, pupal, and adult stages. Key characteristics. Complete metamorphosis. The defining characteristic of Endopterygoda is their life cycle, which involves complete metamorphosis. Unlike insects that undergo gradual metamorphosis, hemimetabolism, Endopterygoda experience dramatic changes between life stages. Larval stage. Endopterygoda species hatch from eggs as larvae, which often differ significantly from adult forms in terms of appearance and behavior. Larvae are specialized for feeding and growth. Pupal stage. After the larval stage, Endopterygoda enter the pupal stage, during which they undergo metamorphosis. This stage is characterized by internal changes that lead to the development of adult structures. Adult stage. The final stage of Endopterygoda's life cycle is the adult stage, where fully developed wings and reproductive structures are present. Subgroups of Endopterygoda. Endopterygoda includes a diverse array of insects, such as Lepidoptera. This subgroup includes butterflies and moths. The transformation from caterpillar to adult butterfly is one of the most iconic examples of complete metamorphosis. Coleoptera. Coleopterans, or beetles, also undergo complete metamorphosis. Larvae, often called grubs, differ significantly from adult beetles. Diptera. Dipterans, including flies, showcase a range of specialized larvae, such as maggots. The transition from larva to adult flies involves pupation. Hymenoptera. Bees, ants, and wasps are part of this subgroup. Their life cycle involves distinct larval and pupal stages before emerging as adults. Evolutionary significance. Endopterygoda offers insights into the evolutionary diversification of insects. Advanced development. The complete metamorphosis seen in Endopterygoda reflects a more advanced developmental strategy compared to gradual metamorphosis. Specialization. The various life stages within the Endopterygoda life cycle allow for ecological specialization and exploitation of different niches. Ecological roles and adaptations. Endopterygoda play vital roles within ecosystems. Diverse niches. The different life stages of Endopterygoda can occupy diverse ecological niches, contributing to nutrient cycling and ecosystem dynamics. Adaptation to environments. The larval, pupal, and adult stages enable Endopterygoda to adapt to varying environmental conditions and resource availability. Paleoecology and habitat. Endopterygoda inhabited ancient landscapes. Ancient environments. These insects thrived during various periods in Earth's history, evolving alongside changing ecosystems. Exploiting resources. The different life stages of Endopterygoda enabled them to exploit different resources within their environments. Modern diversity and importance. Endopterygoda encompass a wide range of insect groups, showcasing their success and adaptation strategies over time. Conclusion. Endopterygoda, the holometabolous insects of complete metamorphosis, offer a profound example of the wonders of insect diversity. Their life cycle, marked by distinct larval, pupal, and adult stages, showcases the intricate evolution of developmental strategies. By studying Endopterygoda, scientists gain insights into the evolutionary pathways that have led to the remarkable diversity of insect life we observe today. These creatures, with their dramatic transformations, contribute to the vibrancy of ecosystems and stand as a testament to the complex journey of adaptation and survival that has unfolded over millions of years. Hemimetaboly in detail. Very long answer. ChatGPT. Hemimetaboly, unraveling the intriguing world of gradual insect metamorphosis. Hemimetaboly, an enthralling phenomenon often referred to as incomplete metamorphosis, provides a captivating window into the unique life cycles of certain insects. These creatures, characterized by their gradual developmental changes and remarkable adaptations, offer insights into the diverse strategies that insects have evolved to thrive in their environments. This comprehensive exploration delves deep into the realm of hemimetaboly, unraveling its intricacies, ecological significance, and evolutionary implications. Introduction to hemimetaboly. Hemimetaboly is a developmental phenomenon observed in some insect species, in which their life cycle involves gradual changes from egg to nymph to adult, without the intermediate pupal stage seen in complete metamorphosis holometaboly. Derived from the Greek words hemi, partial, and metabole, change, hemimetaboly collectively refers to insects that undergo partial or incomplete metamorphosis. Key characteristics. 3 stages. The defining characteristic of hemimetaboly is its 3-stage life cycle: egg, nymph, and adult. Unlike complete metamorphosis, which involves distinct larval, pupal, and adult stages, hemimetabolous insects lack a pupal stage. Nymphal stage. Hemimetabolous insects hatch from eggs as nymphs, resembling miniature versions of the adult form. Nymphs often have similar body structures, including wings and external genitalia, to adults. Examples of hemimetabolous insects. Orthoptera, grasshoppers, crickets, and katydids are classic examples of hemimetabolous insects. Their nymphs resemble smaller versions of adults, with gradual wing development through molts. Hemiptera, hemipterans, known as true bugs, display diverse nymphal forms that resemble adults but lack fully developed wings. Nymphs undergo molts to reach the adult stage. Evolutionary significance. Hemimetaboly offers insights into the evolution of insect developmental strategies. Primitive state. The hemimetabolous life cycle reflects an ancestral condition seen in some of the earliest insects, highlighting an evolutionary divergence from the more advanced holometabolous insects. Adaptation and survival. The gradual changes of hemimetaboly allow insects to adapt to various ecological niches and environmental conditions during different life stages. Ecological roles and adaptations. Hemimetabolous insects play significant roles within ecosystems. Niche specialization. Different nymphal stages may occupy distinct ecological niches, contributing to ecosystem dynamics and resource utilization. Ecological interactions. Nymphs and adults of hemimetabolous species interact with other organisms, including predators, prey, and plant hosts. Paleoecology and habitat. Hemimetabolous insects inhabited ancient landscapes. Ancient environments. These insects thrived in diverse habitats during various periods of Earth's history, contributing to ecosystems' intricacies. Resource exploitation. The different life stages of hemimetabolous insects allowed them to exploit various resources within their environments. Modern diversity and importance. Hemimetabolous insects continue to thrive in various ecosystems, contributing to biodiversity and ecological balance. Conclusion. Hemimetaboly, the phenomenon of incomplete metamorphosis, unveils the adaptive strategies that certain insects have evolved to navigate the challenges of their environments. With their three-stage life cycle and gradual changes, hemimetabolous insects exemplify the diversity of developmental pathways within the insect world. By studying hemimetaboly, scientists gain insights into the evolutionary pathways that have shaped the complex tapestry of insect life we observe today. These creatures, with their unique life cycles and ecological roles, offer a fascinating glimpse into the dynamic interplay between adaptation, survival, and the intricacies of Earth's ecosystems. Holometaboly. In detail, very long answer. ChatGPT. Holometaboly, unveiling the remarkable world of complete insect metamorphosis. Holometaboly, a captivating phenomenon often referred to as complete metamorphosis, offers a mesmerizing glimpse into the intricate life cycles of many insects. From the humble larva to the fully developed adult, these creatures undergo profound transformations that highlight the diverse strategies that insects have evolved to thrive in their environments. This comprehensive exploration delves deep into the realm of holometaboly, unraveling its complexities, ecological significance, and evolutionary implications. Introduction to holometaboly. Holometaboly is a developmental phenomenon observed in many insect species, in which their life cycle involves four distinct stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Derived from the Greek words, holos, complete, and metabole, change, holometaboly collectively refers to insects that undergo a complete transformation from egg to adult, with the pupal stage acting as a transformative bridge between larva and adult. Key characteristics. 4 stages. The defining characteristic of holometaboly is its 4-stage life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Unlike incomplete metamorphosis, hemimetaboly, holometabolous insects experience a pupal stage that is distinct from both the larval and adult forms. Larval stage. Holometabolous insects hatch from eggs as larvae, often with unique structures specialized for feeding and growth. Larvae vary widely in appearance, behavior, and ecological roles. Pupal stage. The pupal stage is a transformative period during which the insect undergoes dramatic internal changes. The insect's body is reorganized to give rise to the adult structures. Examples of holometabolous insects. Lepidoptera. Butterflies and moths exemplify the iconic holometabolous life cycle. Caterpillars, the larval form, undergo metamorphosis within a cocoon or chrysalis to emerge as adults with fully developed wings. Coleoptera. Beetles, another prominent group, undergo complete metamorphosis. The larvae, often grubs, transition through the pupal stage before emerging as fully formed adult beetles. Diptera. Flies showcase a diversity of holometabolous life cycles. Larvae, called maggots, transition to pupae within a puparium before emerging as adult flies. Evolutionary significance. Holometaboly offers insights into the evolution of insect developmental strategies. Advanced development. The complete metamorphosis seen in holometaboly reflects an evolutionary innovation that allowed insects to specialize in different ecological niches. Resource utilization. The distinct life stages of holometabolous insects allow for optimal resource utilization at different points in their life cycle. Ecological roles and adaptations. Holometabolous insects play vital roles within ecosystems. Ecological diversity. The diverse morphologies and behaviors of larval and adult forms enable holometabolous insects to occupy various ecological niches. Specialized niches. Pupae are often adapted to survive in unique environments, facilitating the transformation from larvae to adults. Paleoecology and habitat. Holometabolous insects inhabited ancient landscapes. Ancient environments. These insects thrived during various periods in Earth's history, contributing to the intricacies of ancient ecosystems. Niche exploration. The distinct stages within the holometabolous life cycle enable these insects to explore and exploit diverse ecological niches. Modern diversity and importance. Holometabolous insects continue to thrive in various ecosystems, contributing to biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Conclusion. Holometaboly, the phenomenon of complete metamorphosis, reveals the astonishing diversity and complexity of insect life. The 4-stage life cycle, marked by distinct transformations in a pupal stage, showcases the remarkable evolution of developmental strategies. By studying holometaboly, scientists gain insights into the evolutionary pathways that have led to the astounding diversity of insect life we observe today. These creatures, with their intricate life cycles and ecological roles, offer a profound glimpse into the dynamic interplay between adaptation, survival, and the intricate tapestry of Earth's ecosystems. Apterygota, diagnostic characteristics. ChatGPT. Apterygota is a taxonomic group of primitive wingless insects that includes two subgroups, Archaeognathus bristletails and Thysanura silverfish and firebrats. These insects possess a set of distinctive diagnostic characteristics that set them apart from other insects. Here are some key diagnostic features of Apterygota. 1. Winglessness. The most significant characteristic of Apterygota is the absence of wings throughout their life cycle. Unlike most other insects, which may have wings in at least one stage of their development, Apterygota lack wings entirely. 2. Simple eyes. Acheli. Apterygota often have simple eyes known as acheli. These eyes are less complex than the compound eyes found in many other insects and are sensitive to light changes. 3. External fertilization. In Apterygota, fertilization often occurs externally, where the male deposits sperm onto a substrate, and the female picks it up for fertilizing her eggs. This contrasts with many other insects that have internal fertilization. 4. Mandibulate mouthparts. Apterygota typically possess mandibulate mouthparts, which are adapted for chewing and grinding food. This distinguishes them from other insects with different types of mouthparts, such as piercing sucking mouthparts found in Hemiptera. 5. Abdominal appendages. Some Apterygota, particularly in the Archaeognathus subgroup, have filamentous appendages on their abdomen. These structures, such as the distinctive furcula found in bristletails, have specialized functions for locomotion and jumping. 6. Direct development. Many Apterygota species undergo direct development, where newly hatched nymphs resemble miniature adults. They do not go through the distinct larval stages seen in insects undergoing complete metamorphosis. 7. Non-aquatic habitats. While some Apterygota may inhabit damp environments, they are not primarily aquatic. This contrasts with some other primitive insects that have aquatic nymphal stages. 8. Ancient lineage. Apterygota is considered to be a more primitive group within the insect class, reflecting characteristics that harken back to the early stages of insect evolution. 9. Limited specialization. Apterygota generally exhibit limited specialization compared to more derived insect groups. Their relatively simple anatomy and behaviors suggest adaptations to basic ecological niches. These diagnostic characteristics collectively define the taxonomic group Apterygota and distinguish them from other insects with different developmental patterns, anatomical structures, and ecological roles. Biology and economic importance of the following orders. Collembola. ChatGPT. Collembola, exploring the biology and economic importance of springtails. Biology of Collembola. Collembola, commonly known as springtails, are a fascinating order of small, wingless insects that play important roles in ecosystems around the world. Here's an overview of their biology. Habitat. Springtails inhabit a wide range of environments, from soil to leaf litter, decaying organic matter, mosses, and even aquatic habitats. They are particularly abundant in moist and humid conditions. Body structure. Springtails have a distinct body structure with a flexible abdomen and a specialized structure called a furcula, which they use to propel themselves into the air when threatened. Feeding. Springtails are detritivores, feeding on decaying organic matter, fungi, algae, and bacteria. Some species are herbivores, feeding on plant tissues, while others are predators, preying on smaller organisms. Reproduction. Most springtails reproduce through sexual reproduction, but some species are parthenogenic, meaning they can reproduce asexually. Eggs are laid in soil or other suitable substrates. Molting. Springtails undergo several molts as they grow, shedding their exoskeleton to accommodate their increasing size. Economic importance of Collembola. While springtails are not directly associated with significant economic impacts, they do play important roles in various aspects of ecosystems and have implications for agriculture and soil health. Soil health. Springtails are important decomposers, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients in the soil. This contributes to soil fertility and the overall health of ecosystems. Indicator species. Springtails are often used as indicators of soil health and environmental conditions. Their presence or absence can provide insights into soil moisture levels, nutrient availability, and pollution. Agriculture. In agriculture, springtails can be both beneficial and detrimental. Some species contribute to nutrient cycling in soils, benefiting plant growth. However, high populations of certain springtail species can cause damage to young plant roots, leading to reduced plant growth. Bioindicators. The presence or absence of certain springtail species can indicate the quality of soil and water in ecological assessments. Changes in springtail populations can reflect changes in ecosystem health due to pollution or habitat disturbance. Research. Springtails are also valuable in scientific research, serving as model organisms for studies related to soil ecology, soil biodiversity, and the effects of environmental changes on ecosystems. In conclusion, springtails, or Collembola, are small but ecologically significant insects that play important roles in nutrient cycling, soil health, and ecosystem dynamics. While they may not have direct economic impacts, their presence and behavior have implications for agriculture, ecology, and environmental monitoring. As research continues, our understanding of the diverse roles that springtails play in the natural world and their potential applications in various fields will likely continue to expand. Biology and economic importance of the following orders. Protura. ChatGPT. Protura, exploring the biology and economic importance of proturans. Biology of Protura. Protura, a small and little-known order of soil-dwelling hexapods, exhibit intriguing biological traits. Here's an overview of their biology. Habitat. Proterans primarily inhabit soil and leaf litter environments. They are found in a variety of terrestrial habitats, from forests to grasslands. Body structure. Proterans are tiny, ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 millimeters in length. They have soft bodies and are often colorless or pale in appearance. Their body is divided into a head, thorax, and abdomen. Antennae. Proterans have unique antennae with numerous segments. These antennae play a crucial role in sensing their environment. Feeding. Proterans are detritivores, feeding on decaying plant material, fungi, and microorganisms present in the soil. They contribute to the breakdown of organic matter and nutrient cycling. Reproduction. Proterans reproduce through sexual reproduction. They lay eggs in soil crevices, and their development involves simple metamorphosis, with nymphs resembling miniature adults. Economic importance of Protura. While Protura are not commonly considered pests or economically significant in themselves, they do have important roles in soil ecosystems. Soil health. Proterans contribute to soil health by aiding in the decomposition of organic matter. They break down dead plant material and enhance nutrient cycling, which supports overall soil fertility. Indicator species. Similar to springtails, Protura are used as indicators of soil health and environmental conditions. Changes in proteran populations can provide insights into soil moisture levels, nutrient availability, and ecosystem disturbances. Agriculture. Although proterans are not major pests, their activities can indirectly impact agriculture. By participating in the decomposition process, they contribute to nutrient availability for plants. However, disruptions in the soil ecosystem, such as changes in proteran populations, can affect soil quality and impact plant growth. Research. Proterans play a role in scientific research related to soil ecology and biodiversity. Their presence and behavior contribute to studies investigating the interactions between soil organisms and their roles in ecosystem functions. Ecological balance. As part of the soil fauna, proterans play a role in maintaining ecological balance within soil ecosystems. Their interactions with other microorganisms and detritivores contribute to the overall stability of soil communities. In conclusion, proterans, although not widely recognized, play significant roles in soil ecosystems by aiding in nutrient cycling, soil health, and decomposition. While they may not have direct economic impacts, their presence and activities have implications for agriculture, ecology, and environmental monitoring. As our understanding of soil ecosystems and their interactions continues to grow, the importance of proterans in maintaining soil health and supporting overall ecosystem functions may become more apparent. Biology and economic importance of the following orders. Dipleura. ChatGPT. Dipleura, exploring the biology and economic importance of diplerans. Biology of Dipleura. Dipleura is a relatively small and less well-known order of soil-dwelling arthropods. Despite their inconspicuous nature, they play important roles in soil ecosystems. Here's an overview of their biology. Habitat. Diplerans inhabit a variety of soil and leaf litter environments. They are often found in moist and humid habitats, such as forests and grasslands. Body structure. Diplerans have elongated bodies, divided into a head, thorax, and abdomen. They possess a pair of antennae, long chair-cheek tail-like appendages, and a pair of stylite projections on their abdomen. Feeding. Diplerans are detritivores, feeding on decaying organic matter, fungi, and microorganisms present in the soil. They play a role in breaking down dead plant material and recycling nutrients. Sensory structures. Diplerans have well-developed antennae that serve as sensory organs for detecting their environment. The antennae aid in locating food and sensing moisture levels. Reproduction. Diplerans reproduce through sexual reproduction. They lay eggs in soil or crevices, and their nymphs resemble miniature adults. Their development involves simple metamorphosis. Economic importance of Dipleura. Diplerans, similar to other soil-dwelling arthropods, have important roles in soil health and ecosystem functioning. Soil health. Diplerans contribute to soil health by participating in the decomposition of organic matter. Their feeding activities break down plant material, fungi, and microorganisms, aiding in nutrient cycling and soil fertility. Agriculture. While diplerans are not typically considered pests, their presence can indirectly impact agriculture. By aiding in nutrient cycling, they contribute to the availability of nutrients for plant growth. However, changes in their populations could potentially influence soil quality and ecosystem stability. Indicator species. Diplerans are sometimes used as indicators of soil health and environmental conditions. Monitoring changes in dipleran populations can provide insights into soil moisture levels, nutrient availability, and ecosystem disturbances. Research. Diplerans play a role in scientific research focused on soil ecology and biodiversity. Their interactions with other soil organisms contribute to studies examining the complex relationships within soil ecosystems. Ecological balance. As part of the soil fauna, diplerans contribute to the overall stability and functioning of soil ecosystems. Their interactions with other soil organisms help maintain ecological balance. In conclusion, diplerans may not be well known, but they are integral to soil health, nutrient cycling, and ecosystem processes. While they do not have direct economic impacts, their activities have important implications for agriculture, ecology, and environmental monitoring. As our understanding of soil ecosystems deepens, diplerans' roles in maintaining soil health and supporting overall ecosystem functions may become increasingly appreciated. Biology and economic importance of the following orders. Archaeognatha microcoryphea. ChatGPT. Archaeognatha microcoryphea, exploring the biology and economic importance of bristletails. Biology of Archaeognatha. Archaeognathia, commonly known as bristletails, are a small and ancient order of wingless insects that are often found in dark and humid environments. Here's an overview of their biology. Habitat. Bristletails prefer habitats with high humidity, such as leaf litter, under stones, and within crevices. They are mostly nocturnal and are often found in dark and hidden places. Body structure. Bristletails have elongated bodies with a cylindrical shape. They possess 3 long, tail-like filaments at the rear end, which give them their name, bristletails. These filaments play a role in sensory perception. Antennae. They have long antennae that serve as sensory organs for detecting their environment, such as air movements, vibrations, and chemical cues. Feeding. Bristletails are primarily detritivores, feeding on decaying plant material, fungi, and microorganisms. Some species may also scavenge on small invertebrates. Reproduction. Bristletails reproduce through sexual reproduction. Mating involves complex behaviors and rituals, and eggs are laid in soil or other suitable substrates. The nymphs resemble miniature adults. Economic importance of Archaeognathia. While bristletails are not generally considered pests or of significant economic importance, they do contribute to ecosystem processes. Decomposition. Bristletails play a role in breaking down organic matter, such as fallen leaves and plant debris, in their habitats. Their feeding activities contribute to nutrient cycling and soil enrichment. Soil health. Bristletails are part of the soil fauna that aids in maintaining soil health. By participating in decomposition, they contribute to soil fertility and the availability of nutrients for plant growth. Indicator species. Bristletails can serve as indicators of habitat health. Their presence or absence can provide insights into the overall ecological conditions of their environment. Ecological balance. As part of the detritivore community, bristletails help maintain ecological balance by recycling organic matter and supporting the energy flow within ecosystems. Research. Archaeognathia play a role in scientific research related to soil ecology, entomology, and biodiversity. Their interactions with other organisms and their sensitivity to environmental changes make them valuable subjects of study. In conclusion, while bristletails may not have direct economic impacts, they contribute to important ecological processes in the health of soil ecosystems. Their roles in decomposition, nutrient cycling, and ecological balance make them valuable components of natural environments. As our understanding of ecosystems and their interactions deepens, the significance of bristletails in maintaining soil health and supporting overall ecosystem functions may become increasingly recognized. Biology and economic importance of the following orders: Theosanura. ChatGPT. Thysanura, exploring the biology and economic importance of silverfish and firebrats. Biology of Thysanura. Thysanura is an order of small, primitive wingless insects that includes silverfish and firebrats. These insects are commonly found in dark and humid environments, often inside buildings. Here's an overview of their biology. Habitat. Thysanura insects thrive in dark and moist environments such as basements, bathrooms, and kitchens. They prefer places with high humidity and are frequently found in homes and buildings. Body structure. Thysanura insects have elongated bodies with a distinct 3-part division: head, thorax, and abdomen. They possess a pair of long antennae that serve as sensory organs. Feeding. Thysanura insects are detritivores and scavengers. They feed on a variety of organic materials, including starchy substances, paper, glue, dead insects, and even fabrics. Sensory organs. Thysanura insects have well-developed antennae that help them detect their environment, locate food sources, and sense changes in humidity. Reproduction. Thysanura reproduce through sexual reproduction. They lay eggs in crevices or hidden areas. The nymphs that hatch from the eggs resemble miniature adults and undergo gradual metamorphosis. Economic importance of Thysanura. Silverfish and firebrats, the 2 most common groups within Thysanura, can have both negative and positive implications for humans. Damage to property. Silverfish and firebrats are known to cause damage to property by feeding on items such as paper, books, fabrics, and wallpaper. They can chew holes in these materials, leading to economic losses. Contaminants. In some cases, silverfish and firebrats can contaminate food and stored goods. Their presence in pantries and storage areas may result in the contamination of edible items. Positive ecological role. Despite their potential negative impact indoors, in natural environments, Thysanura insects contribute to nutrient cycling by breaking down organic matter. They play a role in the decomposition process. Research. Thysanura insects are sometimes studied in the field of entomology and ecology. They serve as subjects of research to understand their behavior, ecology, and interactions with other organisms. Pest control. While not a common practice, some insects, such as centipedes and certain spiders, may prey on Thysanura insects, contributing to natural pest control. In conclusion, Thysanura insects, represented by silverfish and firebrats, are notable for their presence in indoor environments and their feeding habits. While they can cause damage to property and sometimes be considered pests, they also have ecological roles in natural environments. Understanding their behavior and interactions can help mitigate their impact indoors and appreciate their role in nutrient cycling within ecosystems. Locomotion and Collembola in detail. Very long answer. ChatGPT. Locomotion and Collembola, an in-depth exploration of springtail movement. Locomotion, the ability to move from one place to another, is a crucial aspect of an organism's survival and interaction with its environment. In the case of Collembola, commonly known as springtails, their diverse and fascinating locomotion strategies have adapted to their unique ecological niches and habitats. This comprehensive exploration delves into the intricate mechanisms of springtail locomotion, highlighting their various modes of movement, specialized adaptations, and the ecological significance of their locomotor behavior. Asterisk 1. Walking and running. Springtails employ various methods of locomotion to navigate their environments. The most common mode is walking or running. They move their legs in coordinated patterns, allowing them to move across surfaces. This mode of locomotion is used for exploring their surroundings, foraging for food, and seeking shelter. 2. Jumping. One of the most distinctive locomotion mechanisms of springtails is their ability to jump. Springtails possess a specialized structure called a furcula, which is a forked appendage located beneath their abdomen. When threatened or stimulated, the furcula is released rapidly, propelling the springtail into the air. This jumping behavior helps springtails evade predators, escape unfavorable conditions, and quickly navigate their environment. Asterisk 3. Swimming and crawling. In moist environments, some springtail species exhibit swimming behavior. They use their legs to generate water currents, allowing them to move through water. Additionally, springtails can crawl on surfaces using adhesive structures on their legs, which enable them to navigate vertically and even upside down on smooth surfaces. Asterisk 4. Sensory adaptations. Springtails possess highly sensitive antennae and other sensory structures that aid in locomotion. These sensory organs help them detect changes in their environment, such as humidity levels, vibrations, and chemical cues. The information gathered through these sensory adaptations influences their movement patterns and helps them respond to their surroundings effectively. Asterisk 5. Specialized appendages. Different springtail species have developed specialized adaptations for their specific habitats. Some species have long appendages on their abdomen, such as a furcula, which they use for jumping. Others have unique structures on their legs that aid in adhesive climbing on different surfaces. Asterisk 6. Energetic efficiency. Springtails are small insects, and their locomotion strategies are often energetically efficient. Jumping, for example, allows them to cover significant distances using minimal energy. This is especially advantageous in environments where resources may be scarce, and energy conservation is essential. Asterisk 7. Ecological significance. The diverse modes of locomotion exhibited by springtails play critical roles in their ecosystems. Jumping helps them escape predators and move quickly between microhabitats. Walking, crawling, and swimming allow them to forage, find mates, and disperse to new locations. Asterisk 8. Research and inspiration. The study of springtail locomotion has implications beyond their biology. Researchers study springtail movement to understand biomechanics, adhesive structures, and locomotion strategies. Insights gained from these studies can inspire innovations in robotics and adhesive technologies. In conclusion, springtail locomotion is a remarkable testament to the adaptability and diversity of movement strategies in the insect world. From the distinctive jumping behavior to swimming, crawling, and adhesive climbing, springtails have evolved an array of mechanisms to navigate their habitats, find food, evade predators, and interact with their surroundings. The intricate interplay between sensory adaptations, specialized appendages, and ecological demands has shaped the fascinating locomotion patterns of Collembola, highlighting their significance in the broader context of natural ecosystems and scientific exploration. Exopterygota. Diagnostic characteristics, biology and economic importance of the following orders and families mentioned under each order. ChatGPT. Exopterygota. Unveiling the characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Exopterygota is a diverse group of insects that undergo incomplete metamorphosis, where their development involves 3 distinct stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Nymphs resemble miniature adults and undergo a series of molts to reach maturity. Within Exopterygota, there are multiple orders and families, each with its own set of characteristics, biology, and potential economic significance. Let's delve into the details of some of these orders and families. Asterisk 1. Order Orthoptera. Diagnostic characteristics. Strong hind legs adapted for jumping. Chewing mouthparts. Forewings Tegnina are often leathery and serve as protective covers. Auditory organs called tympana on the first abdominal segment. Biology and economic importance. Orthopterans include grasshoppers, crickets, and katydids. They play important roles in agriculture as both pests and beneficial insects. Some are pests that feed on crops, while others serve as natural predators, controlling insect populations. Grasshoppers, for instance, can cause significant damage to crops, while crickets are often used as bait for fishing and as food for pets. Asterisk 2. Order Hemiptera. Diagnostic characteristics. Piercing sucking mouthparts used for feeding on plant sap. Forewings have a half-leathery, half-membranous texture. Wings held flat over the body when at rest. Some species exhibit hemimetabolous development, while others undergo gradual metamorphosis. Nymphs resemble miniature adults and undergo a series of molts to reach maturity. Within Exopterygota, there are multiple orders and families, each with its own set of characteristics, biology, and potential economic significance. Let's delve into the details of some of these orders and families. Asterisk 1. Order Orthoptera. Diagnostic characteristics. Strong hind legs adapted for jumping. Chewing mouthparts. Forewings Tegnina are often leathery and serve as protective covers. Auditory organs called tympana on the first abdominal segment. Biology and economic importance. Orthopterans include grasshoppers, crickets, and katydids. They play important roles in agriculture as both pests and beneficial insects. Some are pests that feed on crops, while others serve as natural predators, controlling insect populations. Grasshoppers, for instance, can cause significant damage to crops, while crickets are often used as bait for fishing and as food for pets. Asterisk 2. Order Hemiptera. Diagnostic characteristics. Piercing sucking mouthparts used for feeding on plant sap. Forewings have a half leathery, half membranous texture. Wings held flat over the body when at rest. Some species exhibit hemimetabolous development, while others undergo gradual metamorphosis. Biology and economic importance. Hemipterans, including true bugs, aphids, and cicadas, have diverse roles. They are important pollinators, but some are pests that feed on plants and transmit diseases. Aphids, for instance, can damage crops by feeding on plant sap and transmitting plant viruses. On the other hand, certain hemipterans like cicadas are known for their loud mating calls and have minimal economic impact. Asterisk 3. Order Odonata. Diagnostic characteristics. Large, elongated bodies. Strong, membranous wings with intricate venation. Large, prominent eyes. Nymphs are aquatic and have specialized labium adapted for capturing prey. Biology and economic importance. Odonata includes dragonflies and damselflies. They are known for their excellent flying abilities and are effective predators of insects, including mosquitoes. This makes them beneficial in controlling insect populations, particularly those of disease vectors. Dragonflies are often considered indicators of healthy ecosystems, as they are sensitive to water quality. Asterisk 4. Order Dermaptera. Diagnostic characteristics. Chair-cheek forceps-like structures at the end of the abdomen. Chewing mouthparts. Forewings are reduced and leathery, while hindwings are membranous. Biology and economic importance. Dermapterans, or earwigs, are omnivores that feed on a variety of plant materials, insects, and other organic matter. They have minor economic importance and are generally not considered pests. However, their presence can be a nuisance when they enter homes seeking shelter. Asterisk 5. Order Plecoptera. Diagnostic characteristics. Nymphs are aquatic, with gills adapted for breathing underwater. Forewings and hindwings are similar in size and shape, with a membranous texture. Two long chairchi at the end of the abdomen. Biology and economic importance. Plecopterans, or stoneflies, are often found in clean, unpolluted water bodies. Nymphs are sensitive to water quality and are used as indicators of stream health. They play roles in aquatic food chains and are important prey for fish. Stoneflies are not typically considered pests and are more significant for their ecological role. In conclusion, the Exopterygota group encompasses a diverse array of insects with distinctive characteristics, developmental patterns, and ecological roles. Understanding the biology and economic significance of these orders and families sheds light on the intricate relationships insects have with their environments and their impact on human activities. From agricultural pests to beneficial predators and ecological indicators, these insects shape ecosystems and influence various aspects of our lives. Ephemeroptera. 10 Diagnostic characteristics, biology and 10 economic importance in detail. Very long answer. ChatGPT. Ephemeroptera mayflies, exploring diagnostic characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Diagnostic characteristics. Aquatic nymphs. Mayflies have a distinct 2- or 3-tailed nymphal stage that lives in aquatic environments such as streams, rivers, and lakes. Wings. Adult mayflies have 2 pairs of large, delicate, and membranous wings held vertically when at rest. Short lifespan. Adults have a very short lifespan, often ranging from a few hours to a few days. Large eyes. Mayflies have large compound eyes. Gills. Nymphs have specialized gills along their abdomen to extract oxygen from water. Non-functional mouthparts. Adults have non-functional mouthparts as their main purpose during this stage is reproduction. Biology. Mayflies undergo incomplete metamorphosis, consisting of egg, nymph, and adult stages. The aquatic nymphs are key players in freshwater ecosystems as they feed on algae and organic matter, contributing to nutrient cycling. Nymphs are highly sensitive to water quality and their presence is often used as an indicator of clean and healthy water bodies. The short-lived adults emerge from the water, reproduce, and then die. Their emergence is often synchronized to occur in large numbers, which has ecological implications. Economic importance. Indicator species. Mayflies are sensitive to water pollution, making them valuable indicators of water quality in aquatic ecosystems. Aquatic food web. Nymphs serve as a crucial link in aquatic food chains, being prey for fish and other aquatic organisms. Erosion control. Mayflies are known to consume algae and organic matter, helping to control excessive growth and prevent the accumulation of organic debris. Fishing. Mayflies are a significant food source for fish, making them important for recreational and commercial fishing. Ecotourism. Mayfly hatches attract birdwatchers, photographers, and eco-tourists, contributing to local economies. Research. Mayflies are studied for their unique life cycle, contributing to our understanding of insect development and evolution. Education. The short lifespan of adult mayflies provides an interesting case study for educational purposes, teaching students about life cycles and ecological interactions. Stream health. Monitoring mayfly populations can help assess the health of freshwater ecosystems and identify potential pollution sources. Aquaculture. Mayflies can be used as a supplementary food source for fish in aquaculture systems. Biological control. Mayfly nymphs can help control excessive algal growth, maintaining the ecological balance in water bodies. In conclusion, mayflies, Ephemeroptera, are ecologically significant insects with unique life cycles and important roles in aquatic ecosystems. Their sensitivity to water quality, contribution to food webs, and influence on ecosystem health make them valuable indicators of environmental conditions. Additionally, mayflies have economic implications through their impact on fisheries, ecotourism, and education, highlighting their broader relevance beyond their short lifespan. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Ephemeroptera. ChatGPT. Ephemeroptera mayflies, exploring diagnostic characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Diagnostic characteristics and examples. Aquatic habit. Mayflies have aquatic nymphal stages, living in freshwater bodies such as streams, rivers, and lakes. Example, Batidae, blue-winged olives. Membranous wings. Adults possess 2 pairs of large, delicate, membranous wings held vertically at rest. Example, Ephemera danica, green drake. Tails. Nymphs have 2 or 3 filamentous tails. Example, Canis spp. Angler's curse. Large compound eyes. Mayflies have large, prominent compound eyes. Example, Hexagenia spp. Hex. Gills. Nymphs possess specialized gills along the abdomen for respiration in water. Example, Ephemerality, pale morning guns. Short lifespan. Adults live for a very short period, often a few hours to several days. Example, Trichorithodes spp. Trichos. Non-functional mouthparts. Adult mouthparts are vestigial as their primary function is reproduction. Example, Isonychia spp. Slate drakes. Swarm mating. Mating behavior often involves swarms of adult mayflies. Example, Ephorin lucan, white mayfly. Ephemeral adult stage. Adults emerge en masse, creating impressive but short-lived swarms. Example, Potamanthus luteus, golden mayfly. Variable body size. Mayflies vary in size from tiny to relatively large species. Example, Cloen dipterum, small dark olive. Biology. Mayflies undergo incomplete metamorphosis with 3 life stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Nymphs live underwater, feeding on algae and detritus. Their unique gills allow them to extract oxygen from water. When it's time to emerge, nymphs swim to the surface and molt into winged adults. Adults mate and females lay eggs on the water's surface before dying. Their synchronized emergences, often triggered by environmental cues, play a vital role in ecosystems. Economic importance. Water quality indicator. Mayflies are sensitive to pollution, making them bioindicators of aquatic ecosystem health. Fish food. Mayfly nymphs are a significant food source for fish, contributing to fisheries and recreational angling. Natural pest control. Mayflies contribute to regulating algal growth, preventing water bodies from becoming overgrown. Ecotourism. Mayfly hatches attract birdwatchers, photographers, and anglers, benefiting local economies. Educational tool. The unique life cycle of mayflies is used for educational purposes, teaching about metamorphosis and ecological interactions. Stream health. Monitoring mayfly populations helps assess the health of freshwater environments. Scientific research. Mayflies offer insights into insect development, evolution, and behavior. Aquatic research. Studying mayflies helps researchers understand aquatic ecosystems and their dynamics. Angler attraction. Anglers use artificial flies resembling mayflies to attract fish. Aquaculture. Mayflies can be used as supplemental food for fish in aquaculture systems. In conclusion, mayflies, Ephemeroptera, exhibit a fascinating life cycle, significant ecological roles, and economic importance. Their sensitivity to water quality, contributions to food webs, and impact on recreational activities make them ecologically and economically relevant. Additionally, the ephemeral nature of their adult stage captures human curiosity and serves as a valuable educational tool for understanding the intricacies of nature. Odonata 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Ephemeroptera. Mention dragonflies and damselflies. ChatGPT. Odonata, dragonflies and damselflies, exploring diagnostic characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Diagnostic characteristics and examples. Aquatic habit. Odonata have aquatic nymphal stages, living in freshwater bodies such as ponds, lakes, and slow-moving streams. Example, Libellulidæ, skimmers. Large eyes. Dragonflies and damselflies have prominent, large compound eyes that provide excellent vision. Example, Anax junius, common green darner. Long abdomen. Dragonflies typically have a robust, elongated abdomen, while damselflies have a slender abdomen. Example, Sympatrum spp. Meadowhawks. Wings. Adults possess 2 pairs of membranous wings, held flat when at rest in dragonflies and folded over their back in damselflies. Example, Echinidae darners. Strong flyers. Odonata are powerful flyers, capable of rapid and agile aerial maneuvers. Example, Pantala flavescens, wandering glider. Predatory nymphs. Nymphs are carnivorous, using extendable jaws to capture prey. Example, Cordulogastridæ, spiketails. Gills. Nymphs have specialized gills to extract oxygen from water. Example, Calopterygidæ, broad-winged damselflies. Distinct mating behavior. Some dragonflies and damselflies exhibit complex mating behaviors and territorial displays. Example, Libellula quadrimaculata, 4-spotted skimmer. Ephemeral adult stage. Adult odonats have relatively short lifespans, often lasting a few weeks. Example, Erythemis simplicicalis, eastern pondoc. Wide distribution. Dragonflies and damselflies are found globally, inhabiting diverse aquatic environments. Example, Ischnera spp. Forktails. Biology. Odonata undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Nymphs live in water, preying on aquatic insects and other small organisms. They use extendable jaws to capture prey. Adult dragonflies and damselflies emerge from water, molt, and become strong flyers. Mating behaviors, such as the wheel formation, are characteristic of Odonata. Economic importance of Odonata, dragonflies and damselflies. Natural pest control. Odonate nymphs are voracious predators, contributing to the control of mosquito and other insect populations in aquatic habitats. Ecotourism. Odonata, with their vibrant colors and impressive flight, attract nature enthusiasts and photographers, benefiting local economies through ecotourism. Aquatic health indicator. Presence of dragonflies and damselflies can indicate healthy aquatic ecosystems. Fish food. Adults and nymphs serve as a food source for fish and other aquatic organisms, enhancing fisheries. Education. The unique life cycle and behavior of odonates offer educational opportunities, teaching about metamorphosis in aquatic ecosystems. Wetland conservation. Odonata are often found in wetlands, contributing to wetland conservation efforts and promoting habitat preservation. Scientific research. Odonata provide insights into insect behavior, predator-prey interactions, and ecosystem dynamics. Pollination. While not primary pollinators, some dragonflies and damselflies may inadvertently assist in pollination by carrying pollen on their bodies. Bioindicator. Presence or absence of specific odonate species can indicate the health of aquatic environments and changes in water quality. Aesthetic value. Dragonflies and damselflies enhance the aesthetic value of natural landscapes and water bodies, contributing to the overall beauty of ecosystems. In conclusion, odonata, dragonflies and damselflies exhibit remarkable characteristics, a unique life cycle, and significant economic importance. Their role in controlling insect populations, attracting ecotourists, and serving as indicators of aquatic health highlights their ecological and economic relevance. Additionally, the intricate mating behaviors and distinctive flight patterns of odonata contribute to their captivating charm and offer opportunities for both scientific research and public engagement. Dragonflies and damselflies, in detail. ChatGPT. Dragonflies and damselflies, exploring the world of odonata. Dragonflies and damselflies are captivating insects belonging to the order Odonata. They are known for their striking appearance, remarkable flight capabilities, and important roles in various ecosystems. Let's delve into the world of dragonflies and damselflies, exploring their characteristics, biology, behavior, and ecological significance. Dragonflies, Anisoptera. Dragonflies are larger and more robust than damselflies. They exhibit distinctive features that set them apart. Physical characteristics. Size and shape. Dragonflies have a robust body with a larger thorax and elongated abdomen. Their wings are broader and usually held horizontally at rest. Wings. Dragonflies' wings are unequal in size and shape, with hind wings broader than forewings. Flight. They are strong and agile flyers, capable of rapid aerial maneuvers and hovering. Eyes. Dragonflies have large, multifaceted compound eyes that provide excellent vision, allowing them to detect prey and navigate efficiently. Colors. They often exhibit vibrant colors and patterns on their wings and bodies. Biology and behavior. Habitat. Dragonflies inhabit a wide range of habitats, from freshwater lakes and ponds to fast-flowing streams and wetlands. Predatory nymphs. Dragonfly nymphs are aquatic and have extendable jaws used to capture prey, such as aquatic insects and small fish. Life cycle. They undergo incomplete metamorphosis, consisting of egg, nymph, and adult stages. Mating behavior. Dragonflies have elaborate courtship and mating behaviors, including in-flight copulation and territorial displays. Eye spot. Some dragonflies have an eye spot on their wings, which may deter potential predators. Damselflies, Zygoptera. Damselflies are generally smaller and more delicate than dragonflies. They exhibit distinct features that differentiate them. Physical characteristics. Size and shape. Damselflies have a slender body with a smaller thorax and abdomen. Their wings are typically held vertically at rest. Wings. The wings of damselflies are similar in shape and size, making them look like a single pair. Flight. Damselflies have a fluttering flight pattern and are not as strong in flight as dragonflies. Eyes. Damselflies also have large compound eyes, although they are usually set farther apart than in dragonflies. Colors. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, often with intricate markings. Biology and behavior. Habitat. Damselflies prefer calm, shallow waters such as ponds, marshes, and slow-moving streams. Predatory nymphs. Damselfly nymphs are aquatic predators that feed on small invertebrates in the water. Life cycle. Similar to dragonflies, damselflies undergo incomplete metamorphosis. Mating behavior. Damselflies also engage in complex mating behaviors, including forming tandem pairs during egg laying. Ecological significance and economic importance. Predators. Both dragonfly and damselfly nymphs play vital roles in controlling insect populations in aquatic ecosystems. Pollinators. While not primary pollinators, they may aid in pollination by carrying pollen on their bodies. Ecotourism. Dragonflies and damselflies attract nature enthusiasts and photographers, contributing to ecotourism and local economies. Aquatic health indicators. Their presence indicates healthy aquatic ecosystems, while their absence could signal pollution or habitat degradation. Education. Their fascinating life cycle and behavior provide educational opportunities, teaching about metamorphosis and ecosystem dynamics. Research. Odonata offer insights into insect behavior, predator-prey interactions, and ecological balance. In conclusion, dragonflies and damselflies are captivating insects that contribute to ecosystem health, pollination, and the aesthetic value of natural environments. Their unique characteristics, behaviors, and ecological roles make them not only fascinating subjects of study but also important indicators of ecosystem well-being. As guardians of aquatic habitats and envoys of natural beauty, these insects play diverse and essential roles in the intricate tapestry of life. Mouthparts of naiads in detail very long answer. ChatGPT. Mouthparts of naiads, aquatic immature insects, a detailed exploration. Naiads, also known as nymphs or larvae, represent the immature stages of various aquatic insects such as dragonflies, damselflies, mayflies, stoneflies, and more. These aquatic larvae exhibit a diverse range of mouthpart adaptations that cater to their specific feeding habits and habitats. Let's embark on an in-depth journey to explore the intricacies of the mouthparts in naiads, highlighting their structures, functions, and adaptations. Asterisk 1. General General anatomy of naiad mouthparts. The mouthparts of naiads consist of several specialized structures adapted for capturing, manipulating, and consuming food. These structures include mandibles, maxillae, labium, and hypopharynx. Asterisk 2. Mandibles. Mandibles are stout, robust structures resembling jaws. They are used for cutting and crushing food. Adaptations vary based on feeding habits. Herbivorous naiads use mandibles to chew plant material, while carnivorous naiads use them to grasp and immobilize prey. In dragonfly and damselfly naiads, mandibles are powerful and equipped with spines to catch and immobilize prey. Asterisk 3. Maxillae. Maxillae are paired structures located behind the mandibles. They assist in manipulating food and moving it toward the mouth. Maxillae may have setae, hair-like structures that aid in filtering particles from the water. In some naiads, maxillae are adapted for grasping and holding prey. Asterisk 4. Labium. Labium is the lower lip, situated beneath the head. It helps guide food into the mouth and functions as a protective covering. Labium is often highly flexible, allowing naiads to manipulate their food effectively. Asterisk 5. Hypopharynx. Hypopharynx is a small structure located at the base of the labium. It secretes enzymes that help digest food externally before ingestion. Hypopharynx plays a crucial role in breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones that can be absorbed. Asterisk 6. Feeding adaptations. Herbivorous naiads possess mouthparts adapted for grinding plant material and extracting nutrients. Carnivorous naiads exhibit mouthparts suited for capturing, holding, and consuming prey. Some naiads are filter feeders, using modified mouthparts to filter out plankton and organic particles from the water. Asterisk 7. Respiratory adaptations. Some naiads have modified gills that serve dual purposes of respiration and creating water currents to bring food toward their mouthparts. Gills may be situated on the abdomen or thorax, depending on the insect group. Asterisk 8. Structural variations. The structure and arrangement of mouthparts vary among different insect groups, reflecting their specific ecological roles and feeding habits. Stonefly naiads, for example, have elongated and segmented labial palps used to scrape algae and detritus from substrates. In conclusion, the mouthparts of naiads are intricately adapted to the diverse feeding habits and environments of aquatic insects. Whether herbivorous, carnivorous, or filter feeding, these structures allow naiads to acquire nutrients and energy essential for their growth and development. Their functional diversity showcases the remarkable adaptations that have evolved over time, enabling these aquatic larvae to thrive in their respective ecosystems and contribute to the intricate balance of aquatic food webs. Dragonflies and damselflies mating behavior. In detail very long answer. ChatGPT. Mating behavior of dragonflies and damselflies, a comprehensive exploration. The mating behavior of dragonflies and damselflies. The mating behavior of dragonflies and damselflies, collectively known as odonats, is a captivating and intricate spectacle in the world of insects. These aerial acrobats engage in a series of complex behaviors and maneuvers that are not only fascinating to observe but also essential for their reproductive success. Let's delve into the detailed world of odonat mating behavior, uncovering the stages, roles, adaptations, and ecological significance of their courtship rituals. Asterisk 1. Territorial displays. Before mating, male dragonflies and damselflies often establish territories in prime breeding habitats. Males patrol their territories, defending them from other males and signaling their presence to females. Asterisk 2. Courtship rituals. Courtship is a series of coordinated behaviors through which a male attracts and secures the attention of a female. It typically involves visual cues, flight displays, and tactile interactions. Asterisk 3. Visual displays. Males use their vibrant colors and patterns to attract females. They may hover or perch in prominent locations, showcasing their wing colors to potential mates. Asterisk 4. Flight displays. Aerial displays are common in both dragonflies and damselflies. Males perform elaborate flight maneuvers to demonstrate their agility, stamina, and potential as a mate. Asterisk 5. Tandem formation. Once a female is interested, she approaches a male and initiates tandem formation. The male uses specialized claspers at the tip of his abdomen to grab onto the female's neck or prothorax. Asterisk 6. Wheel formation. In some dragonflies, such as skimmers, a wheel formation is observed. The male grasps the female's. Asterisk 6. Tandem formation. Flight displays. Aerial displays are common in both dragonflies and damselflies. Males perform elaborate flight maneuvers to demonstrate their agility, stamina, and potential as a mate. Asterisk 5. Tandem formation. Once a female is interested, she approaches a male and initiates tandem formation. The male uses specialized claspers at the tip of his abdomen to grab onto the female's neck or prothorax. Asterisk 6. Wheel formation. In some dragonflies, such as skimmers, a wheel formation is observed. The male grasps the female's head with his abdomen while the female curves her abdomen upward. Asterisk 7. Sperm transfer. Mating is the opportunity for the male to transfer sperm to the female's reproductive organs. In damselflies, sperm transfer occurs through specialized structures called claspers, located on the male's abdomen. Asterisk 8. Oviposition. After mating, females often lay eggs in aquatic habitats. They may fly in tandem with the male to suitable egg-laying sites, where eggs are deposited in the water. Asterisk 9. Post-mating behavior. In some species, males guard females during oviposition to prevent other males from mating with them. Females may lay eggs individually or in clusters, attaching them to plants or other substrates in the water. Asterisk 10. Ecological significance. Odinate mating behaviors serve several ecological roles. They facilitate successful reproduction, ensuring the continuation of populations. Territories and courtship displays help in resource allocation and competition among males. Mating behavior influences population dynamics and genetic diversity within odinate communities. In conclusion, the mating behavior of dragonflies and damselflies is a remarkable dance of adaptation, communication, and reproductive strategy. From establishing territories to elaborate courtship displays, tandem formations, and sperm transfer, each step in their mating rituals has evolved to maximize reproductive success and ensure the continuation of their species. These behaviors not only contribute to the fascinating world of insect courtship but also play crucial roles in maintaining the balance and diversity of aquatic ecosystems. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Isoptera. ChatGPT. Isoptera termites exploring diagnostic characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Diagnostic characteristics and examples. Social structure. Termites live in organized colonies with different castes, workers, soldiers, and reproductives, kings and queens. Soft bodies. Termites have soft bodies, often pale or translucent, with a gradual transition between head, thorax, and abdomen. Antennae. Elbowed or bead-like antennae are present, distinguishing them from ants. Wings. Reproductive termites elates have 2 pairs of wings of equal size, and wings break off after mating. Cryptic habit. Termites often live hidden in wood or soil, emerging only for food or mating. Chewing mouthparts. They have chewing mouthparts adapted for consuming wood and cellulose. Caste differences. Castes have distinct morphology. Workers are smaller, while soldiers have larger heads and mandibles. Stinging glands. Soldiers may have specialized stinging glands used for defense. Eusocial behavior. Termites exhibit eusocial behavior, living in cooperative colonies with a division of labor. Complex digestive system. Termites rely on gut symbionts to digest cellulose, contributing to their ecological roles. Biology. Social colonies. Termites form colonies with specialized castes working together for the survival and reproduction of the colony. Wood digestion. Termites break down cellulose from wood and plant materials with the help of gut symbionts. Nest construction. Termites build intricate nests using a combination of saliva, feces, and soil. Mating swarms. Elates reproductive termites participate in annual mating swarms, where they disperse to start new colonies. Queen fertility. Termite queens can lay thousands of eggs daily, contributing to colony growth. Economic importance. Wood decomposers. Termites play a vital ecological role by breaking down dead wood and returning nutrients to the ecosystem. Crop pest. Some termite species are crop pests, damaging crops like sugarcane, maize, and cotton. Structural damage. Termites can cause extensive damage to buildings and wooden structures, leading to economic losses. Wood pulp production. Termites are important in breaking down wood in forests, aiding in nutrient cycling and soil enrichment. Soil aeration. Termite activity helps in soil aeration and improves soil structure. Biological diversity. Termites contribute to species diversity by providing habitats for other organisms in their nests. Carbon cycling. Their wood decomposition contributes to carbon cycling and nutrient cycling in ecosystems. Research. Termites are studied for their unique gut symbionts that can potentially aid in biofuel production. Ecological engineers. Termite nests create microhabitats for various organisms, influencing local biodiversity. Wood pulp production. Termites are important in breaking down wood in forests, aiding in nutrient cycling and soil enrichment. Soil aeration. Termite activity helps in soil aeration and improves soil structure. Biological diversity. Termites contribute to species diversity by providing habitats for other organisms in their nests. Carbon cycling. Their wood decomposition contributes to carbon cycling and nutrient cycling in ecosystems. Research. Termites are studied for their unique gut symbionts that can potentially aid in biofuel production. Ecological engineers. Termite nests create microhabitats for various organisms, influencing local biodiversity. Traditional practices. In some cultures, termites are consumed as food, adding to cultural and culinary diversity. In conclusion, termites Isoptera showcase a complex social structure, specialized roles, and ecological importance. Their ability to decompose wood, impact on agriculture, and contribution to nutrient cycling make them key players in various ecosystems. However, their economic significance varies from being